Hello, my amazing family. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing good. As for me, I am waxing strong. Like today, the weather is very good over here, and I thought it wise, why not come out and make this amazing ginger drink for you and for myself. Today's video, I will be showing you how to make your own ginger drink at home with just 3 ingredients. So if you are interested in seeing how I came about this drink, then please stay tuned and keep watching. Here I have 1 lemon, my already washed ginger. I have some brown sugar and my blender. I will now go ahead and chop my ginger into little pieces. Ginger is very powerful and known to treat many forms of nausea, especially morning sickness. Ginger also helps those trying to lose weight. It facilitates weight loss. Ginger is also known to cure cough and cold and helps reduce menstrual pain. I will now go ahead and transfer my chopped ginger into my blender, then blend it until it is nicely blend and smooth. This is how it looks like. Now I'm going to be squeezing the juice out from the lemon. Transfer the juice. Now go ahead and add in my brown sugar. This is my brown sugar. You can use white sugar, but I think brown sugar is healthy. I'm going to stir. Now set it aside to sit for 3 to 4 hours. 3 hours is now up. I'm going to open it. Use my spoon to stir it. I'm going to strain it again for the second time. Oops. Our ginger drink is all ready. Feel free to make yours at home with your family, friends, and loved ones. It looks so yummy and refreshing. Let me go ahead and give it a try. So nice. Do not forget to give this recipe a try and leave your comment in the comment section down below this video. How was your result after trying? Thanks very much for watching to the end of this video. If you are my new subscriber, welcome to the family. For those of you keep coming back, you are much appreciated. Till then, stay strong, stay healthy, till we meet again in my next upload. Bye.